everybody, welcome back to Cottonwood Hill Farms. So we are through the heat finally. Today it's still warm, but it's nothing like it's been the last week. But we made it through, which is a good feeling. And those heat indexes were pretty rough. Yesterday wasn't terrible because the humidity was really low, but those couple days where the humidity was, I think it was one morning it was like 90% or 95%. It's just gross out when it's that hot and humid. I know the heat index has hit 110 a couple of those days, but anyway, we're past it, which is a good feeling. So today what we got going on is I got to move some hay around. We had that big push and got all that hay put up. I still got a couple acres right down here. I'm gonna run down and bale here in a little bit, but first thing I got to do is get these. I'm gonna unload these square bales that I picked up late last night into the barn. I'm gonna put these in the lean-to for the horses. So I'm gonna get that emptied, get those stacked in there, and then I'm gonna run down and finish baling up. It shouldn't take very long at all, just a few acres down here. I think it's about 3 acres or so, something 3.5 acres of some grass hay right here. Bale that up real quick, and then after I get done with that, then we're gonna start hauling round bales. So I need to get all those round bales that we baled. It's been several days ago now, almost a week ago probably. They've been sitting down in the field. I need to get those off that grass because that grass is growing back fairly good actually, especially considering the hot weather we've had. So that's the goal today, is to get all the round bales brought in, get them put up here. I probably won't get over to that acreage west of here. I've got 15 round bales over there I got to pick up. That I'm actually going to see if I can get a little help on that. I'll probably take the tractor and the truck and the trailer over there because it's easier to haul the the truck and the trailer back and forth. Possibly, I don't know. Anyway, today we're just going to focus on what's here on the farm. So let's get going. Hey, get up. Whew, it's a little sticky out. That was 33 bales? 33 bales, and I'm drenched. Next thing I gotta do is go over here. There's a chair right here. I gotta grab that and take it over and put it in front of that fan and sit there for about 10-15 minutes. All right, well, I got my second win. So now we're gonna head down and bale up the rest of this this hay that I got down. It's only a couple acres. I think it's three-ish acres, something like that. So I don't know, we'll see what it yields. Well, we wound up with 7 bales out here. It's not the greatest hay, but it'll feed something.
I don't know if you know me, but I'm Dakota, and I live on Cottonwood Hill Farms. Any Johnson, any pasture. Ready to go. So when I'm up here is on these bales he put on, and they're not very stable, and he is right over there, and we'll show you him in a minute. See him? See you up there. Bye. So what I'm gonna do is get a drink. So what I'm doing is you're gonna watch my dad unload, and if you haven't saw anybody unload, even if you're a farmer and you are somewhere out there, still make sure to like and subscribe, and you're just gonna see him unload. So better enjoy the video. What else? Back down and get bales. So just sit down and relax. And enjoy the show. Dad.
Well, it is toasty in here with no air conditioning, I gotta tell you. One of these days we'll have to get this fixed. We got all the bales brought in, and now we had a couple of broken square bales, and so we're just gonna throw those in the feeder for the cows. But we got all the bales from our farm brought in. We did not get the bales from over at that little acreage over east of here. We didn't get those brought in yet. We'll do that sometime here in the next 4 or 5 days, something like that. But there's a chance of rain this afternoon. I don't know that we're going to get anything. There's been some spotty showers going by. We got a little bit of a few sprinkles earlier, but it wasn't even enough to really settle the dust. It is pretty warm today. It's humid too, but I don't know, depending on the rain, I may cut our fourth crop alfalfa tomorrow, depending on what the rain does. I don't know, we'll have to see. But it's definitely ready. It's full bloom, and the foxtail's popping too. Should have been cut probably 3 or 4 days ago, but that's all right. Well, we got all the round bales brought up and staged. That's a good feeling. Get them off that grass so it can get back to growing. And it feels good to see this many round bales sitting out here. It was bugging me when I was only seeing like 8 or 9 round bales out here. That was bugging the heck out of me. But a tractor's a little toasty. when the air conditioning don't work. One of these days we'll get the air conditioning fixed in that thing. But anyway, that we got a little bit of a, I don't even know if you want to call it a shower. It spit for a second, just enough to make some, not even really get anything wet, but just make some dents in the dust. And there's thunderstorms. I don't know if you heard that, but there's thunderstorms that have been rolling by, spotty thunderstorms. So we're supposed to get a little rain this evening. It'd be nice if we did, but I doubt it. I doubt we're gonna get anything. But anyway, tomorrow, as long as we don't get any rain, tomorrow I think I'll probably end up cutting our 4th crop. It's definitely ready to go. It's in full bloom. It probably should have been cut 4 or 5 days ago, but that's all right. It's still gonna be really good hay. It looks great, and there's quite a bit there too. So that I think that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Like always, thanks for coming along. We appreciate it. Thanks for hanging in there till the end and supporting us. We appreciate that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification button so you don't miss any of the videos coming out. And if you know anybody else that might like our content, go ahead and share it with them too. We'd appreciate that. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. We're on those platforms as well. So anyway, you guys take care, and we will
see you in the next one.